What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, so first things first, I want to make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. I want to give you guys an opportunity to do that right now while I'm talking. Go ahead and click that like button, click that subscribe button, because I'm dropping sauce every time. All right, now also, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not for you to be doing, okay? Whether it's this video, previous videos, or videos to come, all right? It's all for educational purposes only. I just want to make sure you guys know what's going on and always got your best foot forward in whatever the topic is, okay? So today I want to talk to you guys about a business credit card that is very beneficial for any business that you have, okay? And of course, I'm going to give you a few reasons why, all right? Now, the Fuelman MasterCard, which is one of the business credit cards that I offer, that's actually a gas card that allows my clients to help build their businesses, okay? So with this Fuelman card, it's very important because number one, it gives out very high limits. Now, you guys know how I feel about high limits, because when you have those high limits on your profiles, whether if it's personal or business, those high limits will always help you get better limits in the future. Okay, so when you get those high limits and they see that you're responsible with those high limits, or that you had the high limits and you're not defaulting and things like that, which is harder to default when you have more money than it is when you have a little bit of money, contrary to belief, right? A lot of people don't like to have a lot of money, or they're scared of a lot of money because they know that they're not good with a small amount of money. Now, while that is true, that a lot of times, if you don't know how to handle a small amount of money, then it's hard to manage or handle a large amount of money. That is true. But also, I think that it's very important that you should or be able to learn how to handle a large amount of money. And the way you do that is by having it, okay? There's no amount of preparation or no amount of schooling that is going to literally allow you to get a large amount of money and then, like, you're not gonna go back to your schooling at that point, right? So you really got to understand or know how to have a lot of money in this world today, because you can learn something once a day, right? But it's 100 things probably every single hour trying to get your money. So if you do the math, that's going to win every time, okay? Now, Fuelman is, like I said, one of the better business cards because, number one, it gives out great limits, okay? Number two, the application process is, let's just say I kind of know how to get around it, okay? Now, if you all remember the shopping cart trick, this will make a lot of sense to you all. If not, just follow with me and I'm gonna break it down, all right? So when you're going to Fuelman, right? You go on Google, type in Fuelman gas card, and you fill out that application, okay? There's 3 different cards that you can get. Read the bottom, because I want to get you all in the habit of actually doing some research and things like that. Meet me and everybody else you know or talk to or do business with halfway. Okay, so read the bottom. All right, there's 3 different cards that you can choose. Okay, now you need to choose the first card. I know a lot of this stuff by heart because I literally just do it constantly. Like, I do this every single day, all day. All right, so the first card is the one that you want. All right, it's gonna eliminate the fees and different things like that, because we not going for none of that. All right, so it's gonna eliminate the fees, but it's not going to limit the amount of money that you actually get qualified for, okay? So when you go and you fill out your application, you wanna fill out the first 2 sections, okay? Like I said, this is a business credit card. So you wanna fill out the first part, which is your personal information, and you wanna fill out the second part, which is your business information, okay? Now, when you fill out the second page, don't hit submit, don't do anything, okay? There are 4 different tabs when you're filling it out that they want you to go through. Don't hit submit, okay? Fill out the first one, which is your personal information. Fill out the second one, which is your business information, okay? Do not fill out anything else. After that, I want you to go and hit that X. Wait about 30 seconds after you fill it out. I want you to go hit that X, okay? Just close out of it. Now what's gonna happen is, in about within 72 hours, they're going to contact you and say, hey, I seen that you applied for this, or you were trying to apply for this. What happened throughout the application? Okay. Now, what you're going to say is you're going to be like, hey, I was filling out the application, but I seen that you guys you guys pull my credit, and I thought this was for a business. So, I'm actually okay. All right. I don't want the card because of you all pulling my personal credit, and this is a business card. Okay. Now, what they will do is they will tell you that, okay, because you filled it out and didn't finish it, they'll allow you to finish the application. They'll contact the underwriters and they'll allow you to finish the application or push it through without you getting that hard pull. Okay? But if you were to just call them and just say that, and they don't have any records of your applications or anything like that, you're still going to get that hard pull. Okay, so this is the way that you can literally get a $10,000 plus gas card, which you will probably use it. I mean, you could use it for gas, but you will probably use it, and it's a MasterCard. Okay, but you will probably use it for business credit limits or things like that. In my business program, my gas cards is one of the first things that I use, and I know I told you guys this in a previous video, but my gas cards are one of the first things I use because I like to build my funding up. Gas cards give you a lot of money starting out, more than your traditional banks. Okay, so I like to use gas cards when I'm going to build, because I want to build all of my businesses, all of my friends' businesses, all of you all businesses as fast as possible. And the best way to do that is to get the most money behind you. Okay, now also do not forget, guys, my OnlyFans is available, where I go live each and every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Eastern. Okay, I go live each and every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Eastern. So if you want to go live with me, you want to ask me any questions that you want to ask me, just click the link below. You can go and sign up for my OnlyFans, and I will be going live every single Wednesday. Okay, so I hope to see you all there. Also, you know that I have personal credit, business credit, Age Corp, credit cleaning packages, all that good stuff. I have consumer law. I have Metro 2 compliance. I have literally every single thing that you need that I like to use in combination to just get things done, man. And don't forget, okay, when you're cleaning your credit, focus on cleaning your credit, okay? Also, have goals ahead that you know that you want to get done, all right? A lot of this stuff can be done at the same time. You just got to focus. You got to make sure you focus on what it is you're doing and what it is that you want to do. A lot of times you could just do everything at once, guys. Put the work in, all right? Put the work in. I promise you, you will not regret it, all right? But that's what I'm here for. I'm going to come and help you guys every single time I turn on this camera, man. I'm going to be dropping a gem. So make sure you all are just looking at those old videos. Look at other people's videos if you want to. Just don't get confused about who is who. Look at these videos and make sure that you're captivating the information. If you need to write down the information, that's cool too. All right. The better you know yourself, the easier it is to learn, the better your life will be. All right. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. I'm out.